Alright everybody, if you enjoyed this timelapse video for day 13 of Timelapse Week MK-2. So for today's timelapse, I made a painting for another character from My Little Pony. This one was for Big Macintosh, or Big Mac, which is pretty cool. So this painting here was requested by Emily, so that's much appreciated. I had a really fun time making this. And actually, since I did the last My Little Pony painting, which is for Princess Luna, which I can show you here, I think turned out pretty awesome. I actually, doing some research looking into the show to see what the characters looked like, I actually got into the show myself, so it's kind of funny. So I'm really liking doing these paintings for these different characters. So I actually have two more I'm going to be doing. The one other thing I'm going to be doing was also requested by Emily. That was for Fluttershy. So I'm going to be doing this one right here, coming soon on the channel, so look forward to that. And actually, one of the ones that I didn't get a request for, but something I want to do on my own, is one for Rainbow Dash here. So I think that would be really cool to do a painting for Rainbow Dash. I think it would be a fun project. So yeah, so these two are going to be coming up as time lapses pretty soon. So that's pretty cool. If you want to check out the time lapse I did for Princess Luna, link will be down in the description below. If you want to go check that out. So yeah, so like I said today, we did a painting for Big Macintosh, which is the I believe the big brother of Applejack. So pretty cool. So yeah, you can see it. I did my best to get as much detail into this that I could. So with his hooves, I couldn't really get the detail because there's like a faded yellow outline around it, which there's no color that really matches that in Duck Brand. Well, there is one color, but I don't have it, which is the pastel yellow, which I really want to get. And the pastel yellow will be perfect for the Fluttershy painting, so I hope I can find that tape before I start working on that one. So that would be cool. So yeah, so I also used, for his hair, or mane, whatever you want to call it, I used neon orange for the outline, which you can see right there. I think it worked out pretty well. It's, again, kind of close to the faded yellow, but there was nothing really that worked out too well, so I think orange was a good contrast to that for his hair, or mane. So yeah, so I think it worked out pretty well, and then I got his key mark right down here, just I believe like a halved apple, so that's pretty cool with the stars, with the little stars around it. For the stars, I used the chrome tape, so it kind of has a little bit of a shine to it, so that's pretty cool. I did my best to get to as much detail as I could. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this timelapse for day 13 of Timelapse Week. So we're pretty much coming to an end here. We pretty much got, I would end Timelapse Week tomorrow, but I'm actually going to take it one more day and stop it on Monday, since I'm going to be uploading a video on there anyway. So the last day of Timelapse Week will be day 15, which will be on Monday. So that'll be in. I'm going to be releasing a showcase video with everything I've made in Timeless Week Mark II, so that'll be cool. And most of the stuff that I've made during Timeless Week Mark II will be going up on my Etsy page, so most of it will be up for sale. So you can go in there and buy some of the stuff if you want. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to mention in this video. I got a little piece here. Let me take that off there real quick. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to mention here. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this once again. So yeah, look forward to these two paintings that are going to be coming up for Fluttershy and Rainbow Dash. I hope you'll enjoy those as well. So yeah, that's pretty much all I want to say. I might as well stop it now. So yeah, so thanks for watching. As always, just enjoy the one that is duct tape.